Hello everyone, welcome back to Everyday Kelly. My name is Kelly. So today we are going to have a look at the Fossil Sydney Satchel, which I really feel is a good dupe for the Louis Vuitton Speedy 25. I have been wanting a Louis Vuitton Speedy, in particular in the 25 version, because I feel like it's a good size for me. But as soon as I saw the Fossil Sydney Satchel, I just fell in love with it. And now, as I've been using it for a couple of weeks now, I kind of feel like who really needs a Louis Vuitton Speedy? So let's dig into it and let's have a look at the Fossil Sydney Satchel. So I got it in the really nice medium brown color. It does come in a lot of different colors and prints, but I really just wanted it in this nice neutral medium brown. The leather is nice and soft, and it came that way already, which I love because it already has that kind of used and worn in feel to it. It has this really nice fossil embossing on the front there. It's got the straps here that you can either carry it like this or you can carry it on your in the crook of your arm. It also comes with a crossbody strap that you can hook onto the gold hardware over here. I have the strap just over here. So of course the strap matches the color of the purse. I have not been using the crossbody strap because that's just not how I want to use the bag right now. But it is an option if you like to wear the longer strap either on your shoulder or crossbody style. On the back, we've got a slip-in pocket in this side here where you can fit your keys probably, maybe if you have a slimmer, smaller phone. I have a Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Mine does not fit in there, but that's just because the case that I have is quite big. So my phone does not fit in there. But nevertheless, it might be a good spot for some quick grab items. It has the feet on the bottom as well, which I really love because I feel like that's a really good indication of a good quality purse. So it has a dual zipper pull. The only thing I would say that is a little bit negative about this particular zipper is I do find it is a little bit sticky, so it's a little bit hard to open, but it's been okay. So they open like this, and it goes all the way down to the sides. So you can see from this angle here that the purse opens nice and wide, so you can really get in there. It has a little bit of fabric on each side, just so it's a little bit of security so that you're not, hopefully not losing things from your purse. So what I have in here right now is I've got a pretty large organizer. So this is my new organizer that I'm going to be using for 2023, and this one fits in there. I've got a comb, just an average size comb, and I also have a matching wallet that I purchased to go with it. We can quickly have a look at that. It's in that same medium brown tone. The zipper on this one is really nice and fluid. It has the fossil embossing right there. It has a really nice button closure there, and it's got a lot of card slots. So it has a section for your ID on the bottom here. And then it's got a lot of spots for your cards. The only thing that I find is a bit weird with this particular wallet is the way that they chose to do a gray lining. I think it would have looked better if they had have kept it just kind of monochromatic with the brown lining, but nevertheless, it's okay. But it's a really nice wallet, and I feel like it's a really nice size for this purse. I don't need a big wallet anyway, so that's why I decided to get this one. And then, of course, my phone, which is a Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, fits pretty comfortably in there. So now that I've removed everything that was in the purse, let's see if we can have a good look at the inside. So like I said, it's got a really nice soft give to it, which I really like. I feel is really nice. And so if I open it up, hopefully you can see that it has a zipper pocket on the back side of the purse. And then on the front side, it's got two slip-in pockets that you can place your phone or any other things that you want to put there. So I purchased this one from the Fossil website, and it says on the tag that it retails for $250. I don't know if it ever went for that, but I got it just before during the week of Black Friday sales, and I paid $81 pre-tax for it, which I think is a really, really awesome price for a purse of this quality. So, if you're someone who has been wanting a Louis Vuitton Speedy like myself, but you don't really feel like you want to kind of pull the trigger on spending that much money on it, I feel like this is a really good alternative. And I've actually got some compliments on. Actually, a lot of compliments when I've been using this purse, taking it to work, that it actually looks nicer than a Louis Vuitton Speedy. So that's all I have to say right now about the Fossil Sydney Satchel, other than I've just really been loving using it in the past couple of weeks that I've been using it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in another video.